How to fix Roblox join error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox join error on Android phone. First, just open open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and here click apps again, and here type Roblox, click on it, and now click force stop here and click for stop again, and here click storage and then clear cache, and now restart your phone after that, and then go back and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just come back here and click permissions and check storage and make it allow, and then go back to storage here and click clean up. Now just clean some space, clean anything you want here, or you can just clean it from your gallery. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.